And just like that, y'all, here we go. Today, we got a beautiful, beautiful Florida lobster here for you. Look at that bad boy. Beautiful, jumbo Florida lobster. You're seeing it here first. Oh yeah, just the tail right there. About 2-pounder. That's a happy lobster there. Split and butterflied with our kitchen shears. We got that Coleman heating up right now. Boom, there it is, good and hot. I'm gonna open that bad boy up. That temperature come down a little bit. Got that little Le Creuset cast iron, my little butter cast iron. We have a mixture of hot salted Kerrygold butter, some beautiful about 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and half a lemon, the juice of half a lemon. Got the beautiful Texas evening here. I found one of these beautiful monster lobster tails, and you guys know I'm just a good old boy from South Florida. I'd missed lobster season this year. It just started. I wasn't able to get down there for mini season. I was talking to my brother Andrew, and he's gonna maybe send some up, but for now I got the fever. I had to have me a nice lobster, so I had to go out and hunt one down, and boom, just like that, there it is. I can't wait to get this thing on the grill. Simple, something that's good. Don't need a whole lot of extra stuff on it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this on the grill. Get about a 400-degree grill. Use both sides. Use that grate that isn't gonna allow direct access to the lobster. And just put that bad boy right on there, and we're gonna get this thing started. This is the little Coleman grill that could. Y'all see that right there? Boom. But this thing gets it done. Not unlike a lot of y'all, probably just got a regular grill. I'm just a regular dude. It's got a regular size grill right here in the backyard, but it gets it done though. So this center burner is all I have on. I got the 2 big boys. Boom. There we go. I'm gonna turn those 2 big boys off. Okay, so now we're just down to that center burner that covers everything right underneath there. Okay, little grapeseed oil. My brother Richard put a little bit on this so it nothing sticks to it. Give it a little love. Boom, boom. Perfect, 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 perfect. Shut that down just for a second. My brother Richard, I told him tonight when I was leaving work at the barber shop here in Baytown, it's like, hey man, he's like, what are you cooking? He's like, I found some beautiful tomahawk ribeyes out there. He's like, what are you cooking? I said, man, I got me a badass lobster tail. And so he's like, please put that on, because he wanted to learn how to cook lobster. So Richard, this one's for you, my brother. I wasn't gonna make a video for this. I was just gonna go ahead and celebrate a little victory. I'm just here by myself, and just wanted to sit here and just make something nice for dinner. And we're gonna go ahead and share it with y'all. It's a beautiful lobster tail. It's one of the nicest big bad boys I've had in a long time. So we're gonna go ahead and do it. Boom, just like that. Here we go. So take that bad boy, get a hold of it, come right over here, bomb, just like that. Get it right on there, just like that, just like that, just like that. Come here. Oh wow, look at how beautiful that is. Okay, so that shell intact butterfly is going to sit there and help everything get beautiful without burning. So here we go. The butter, the lemon, the garlic. Take some of that and go ahead and paint that bad boy. Oh yeah. Get that bad boy nice and painted. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful garlic. that on your brush right there. Come right over there, get it right in the sides. So when you cut through this shell with your kitchen shears, you can just take a spoon or just your fingers, really. I just do it with my fingers, and just loosen up that meat. And the only thing that I don't pull out is I do not pull the tail out from that end to leave it intact, just to hold it together. But everything else I pull loose and free from the shell. It's a lot easier when you get this thing fully cooked to just go on ahead and boom, just pull that bad boy out like that. And so until then, you use that shell just as like a nice barrier between that heat, and I lay it down there on that flat part that protects it from the flame, so we don't have those worries. And boom, good healthy coating right out the gate. This is a big boy lobster. Get that butter in there, get that butter in there, get it down in there, get after it. Oh Lord. And is that beautiful or what? Oh man, that jumbo, beautiful Caribbean lobster, baby. Oh yeah. So we got that bad boy cooking up. Gonna go ahead and shut that down. This bad boy is gonna take maybe it might take 20 minutes, maybe something like that. We're gonna keep an eye on it. Food talks, everything's gonna tell us something. So we're gonna go on ahead, we're gonna keep this thing going. Boom, Florida lobster tail, y'all. Stay tuned, I'm gonna go ahead and make this thing happen. Alright y'all, let's open this bad boy up and see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, babe. Alright, we're just going to continue to baste this bad boy. That's it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Beautiful. 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 Nice and easy. Wow. Oh, wow, that's gonna be good. Alright, y'all, let's lift this bad boy up. Ooh, wait. About 15 minutes in on that. Oh, Lord, look at that bad boy. Hey, that is beautiful. Give it a little bit more love. Oh yeah, I also added a little bit of fresh cracked sea salt and fresh cracked black pepper into our butter lemon garlic mix here. You guys like that sort of thing? The butter's already salted. It's not necessary for you to do it, but just an idea. Okay. And that's what you do, just like that. Give it a feel it tensen up, and y'all, that is almost good to go. Oh man, that's gonna be beautiful. That is gonna be beautiful. Shut this bad boy back down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And give this bad boy maybe 5 more minutes, maybe a little bit less. Come back out here. I think we're gonna have a little taste test for you. Let's see. Alright y'all, and just like that, sun's going down in Texas, but we got a jumbo Caribbean lobster coming off the grill, y'all. Boom. About 20 minutes in. Let's go on ahead and get this bad boy off of here. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that beauty. Boom, right on there. Ooh wee. right. We'll turn these burners on. Turn these burners on. Let that magic happen. Let that all burn off. Ooh, wow. That is gorgeous. On the low crusade. You hear that sound? Y'all, that's hot butter. Get you a little more butter. Right here. Cut you a little lemon. Get you a little sauce, huh? Ooh, it's all coming together. It's time. Oh yes, there it is right there. Boom. Turn that off. Oh my goodness, I wish y'all were here to smell this. Ooh, yeah, that fresh hot butter. I'm gonna bring that bad boy right over here. Fine. And that is the thing of beauty. Beautiful jumbo Caribbean lobster tail. This is my Thai style Korean barbecue sauce, fresh garlic, Thai chilies, oyster sauce, stub sticky sweet, tequila lime barbecue sauce, all mixed up together. And of course, your Mayploy sweet chili sauce. All that together makes a beautiful, beautiful sauce. We're gonna have a little bit of this beautiful Caribbean lobster. We're gonna dip it in some of this hot butter with the garlic and the lemon. We're gonna squeeze some lemon on it. We have some lemons there to squeeze. We're gonna put a little bit of that beautiful Thai Korean barbecue sauce on there that we made. I hope y'all are enjoying this. There's only one thing left to do. The taste test. This is for you, Brother Mikey. I know you love to see Asians eat. I don't know what's up with that, but I love it anyway. And just like that, here we go. Oh man, that is a beauty. That is a beauty. So let's go on ahead. Give you all a picture of this right here. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. There it is right there. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty right there. Oh Lord. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. And there it is right there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at those beautiful pieces, y'all. Gorgeous and beautiful. Okay, right here. Ooh. The taste test. Right into that hot butter. Get it good. You see that beautiful butter right there? The lobster, the beautiful butter. It's gonna be hot now. It's fresh off the grill. Let's go. That's so good. Ooh, Lord. Look at how beautiful that sauce is right there. Oh yeah, with the dragon chilies and everything. Bad boy right there. Get it on there. Get it on that piece right there. Get a little more. Oh yeah. See this beautiful piece of lobster right there? Oh my God. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. You see them chilies on there? Ooh. Let's go. Wow. That is amazing, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this short video on how to make Caribbean lobster on the grill. I'm Chef Bravo. Until next time, thank you guys for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed yet and you found value in this, please subscribe. Please stick around and watch some of the other videos. Stay tuned for more recipes and outdoor adventures. Thank you all for watching. We'll see y'all soon.